Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to find your forgotten Instagram password without resetting it or without using the forgot password options. Like sometimes when we want to log back into Instagram or sign in on another device, we suddenly realize we don't remember the password anymore. And this will happen a lot because many of us stay logged in for a long time and rarely type the password again. And there is a simple method that you can try, but this only works if you previously save your Instagram login information using your Google account or your browser password saving feature. So let's get started. Make sure you are signed in into the Google account connected to your phone. This should be the same Google account that you use when creating Instagram, or at least the account you may have used to save your Instagram login information. You can just open your browser to access the Google account that you use, like this. You can just use any browser that you have, but in here I will use Google Chrome like this, and then after that just go to the google.com like this, and then after that next just tap on the profile icon like this, and then after that just select the Google account that you think you was used to save your Instagram username and password like this. This step is important because if you have multiple Google accounts, your saved passwords may be stored in a different one. And then once you are on the correct account, just tap on the profile photo again, and then just tap on the manage your Google account. And then next just choose your security and sign in, just click on it. And then scroll down until you find the password manager like this. And then in here just choose Instagram. And then in here you need to verify it's you. You can use your screen password or use your fingerprint like this. And then in here you will see several Instagram login informations that you already saved before. You can just search the account that you want to check the password like this. And to refill the password, just tap on this eyes icon on the right side like this, and you will see your Instagram password that you forgot. Just remember, this only works if your Instagram password was previously saved or using Google Password Manager or your browser save password feature. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.